Now, after years of struggling with poor road conditions, communities in North Guadalcanal now benefit from 360,000 Solomon dollars worth of road repairs funded under the 2025 CDF budget. Simon Tavake with more on this story.
The North Guadalcanal Constituency office has invested 360,000 Solomon dollars to repair 4 important roads in the constituency. The funding comes from the constituency's 2025 CDF budget provided by the national government. The roads being upgraded include Suagi Road from Bridge Barol to Suagi Community, Maluka, Gilutae, Ghaimali, and the road leading to the Suagi Catholic Church. Speaking to SIBC TV, Member of Parliament for the constituency, Dr. Paul Bosawai says improving the roads will help communities take part more easily in social and economic activities.
This one I'm funded through Constituency Development Fund, whereas one of our aims is the basic economic livelihood infrastructure is the road for North Guadalcanal constituency. But these roads, I think, are also important for me. These roads are not feed him because of our farmer success him unable for contribute to food security below Honiara. But we will fund him now. Use him Constituency Development Fund under Essential Sector Law CDF Act 2023.
Time what women will try for doing marketing, what find them a very hard time. What started take him now wheelbarrow for coming, take him to the market. Look at the cash him no low the age, low the oil pump, a boundary road here for access him the track for go to market. So now this road here, I'm just constructed 2 weeks ago no more. What a very happy to us. What to send him come with feedback office that first time low after 5 or 6 years now that no any roads him and maintain low here.
Ministry of Rural Development Permanent Secretary John Misite says supporting constituencies across the country in ensuring the accessibility to services is one of their priorities.
Firstly, the most important one, I think the economic development now, we talk about. If you look around the area here, and farmland, as MPM stating today, this road supports the farmers around here for access to market. And also other investments that are going about in this area. All people down low village, low side sea, low end low road there. Lot of fishes too. So the economic aspect benefits where I'm supporting here. I think that's the most important thing. Accessibility to social services, health, education is quite important. So any road infrastructure for that matter is something that is we should value inside the process of here, and particularly North Guadalcanal. This is a very good investment under the CDF itself.
Speaking to SIBC TV, North Guadalcanal constituents thanked their MP and MRD for the maintenance and upkeep of their road.
Me want to say thank you too much lo okata current parliament member Blomipala with him CDO and okata workman blame lo office for assisting me pala because me come lo here lo 2005 here. And from 2005 and go backwards here, no any road lo here, or a woman lo here, or any emergency something to do with him health. Me pala have to wheelbarrow go lo road here, main road which is okata mane sabe lo okata meter and then kind measurement. I say baraba 2 kilometers straight na lo here, lo side see here from main road lo here. So me pala have to wheelbarrow go up lo road now. Or the woman here, sometime funny story happened too, yeah. If me pala wheelbarrow go to good here today, the evening today time call. By the morning go, or the good here lose the road now. This pala road really help me pala this time. If me pala karem emergency, for example, yeah, ambulance come karal siren come pack lo house straight now. And before on that one, lo osem me remember me, yeah, about triple delivery happened lo here, yeah. Before time me pala ngarem road. And me pala strangle lo go one pala pikinini, die just because of me pala no tekem go kuitai po kata mane ko skulu mgute ota area ya po nduim proper delivery no sem so pikini nyanda lo ya
Ostem lo mi fala kata woman lo hia lo especially mi fala lo hia lo talo Gilutae and teroku osem since kata member kata sa stand up osem every time kata kam tale mi fala ba kata walking road lo mi fala but kata non do anything go kata finish 4 years blow kata finish then narawan kam osem kata same no ma Kogo this time new honorable lo you me him stand up ya na mi fala just looking help him come lo home lo mi fala na and mi fala kata woman mi fala happy too much because mi fala gare access lo road ya for track em kam take mi fala fongo lo market mi fala go lo good road mi fala go lo clinic weba mi fala follow road ya mi fala happy mi fala enjoy road lo mi fala time road em non good ya mengel mi fala ba karengo na lo el pamia o mi fala karengo lo main road na mi fala karem every market lo mi fala you imagine him by staka market mi fala karem mi fala go kam na mi fala you simbul baro so this time mi fala bara happy to much so same new life this time him easy for mi fala.
SIBC TV understands poor road infrastructure has been a long-time issue for the constituency. I'm Simon Tavake for SIBC TV.